So this video is for returning players and also new players. So before we get into the returning player part, let's get to the new players. For those of you guys that are new agents to the game, you never played and you want to test it out, make sure you guys buy the Warlords New York expansion pack right here. By buying this expansion, it will allow you to jump straight into Warlords expansion on a manhunt for Aaron Keener. You'll basically skip the main campaign and you'll have the option to boost your character to level 30. By boosting your character, you're going to unlock 3 specialization. Demolition, survivalist, and sharpshooter. You'll be able to spec those points into the base operation with the quartermaster, just to let you guys know. And it's important for you guys to do this because if you do play the main campaign and you want a PvP, it's going to throw you directly into PvP with us level 40 guys, and you're going to have a terrible time, which is why I'm telling you, so get the expansion. Alright, so let's get into the game and I'll show you guys where to go to get gear really quickly. Alright, so now that we are in game, now this is a striker build that I put together. This build is already on my TikTok and on my YouTube, so be sure to check it out so you can actually see the correct pieces that I have on. Now, what you want to do is open up your map. You're going to go to matchmake and you want to matchmake countdown. This mode was made for players that do not have enough time throughout their day, 2 to 3 hours of gameplay, to game and get gear. Most of us have been playing for like 4 years, so you want to choose challenging. Once you matchmake challenging, do not play heroic, do not play hard, do not play normal. I don't know why the devs added those. There was no point. Now you're going to get invited to a random group, and it's going to be maybe 7 to 8 players. So we got a full group right here. You can be random, you can be solo. You don't need friends to play this. People are playing this non-stop because this is the fastest way to get gear in the game quickly. Alright, so once you load up into countdown, the very first thing that you need to do before you move is open up your map. So by opening up your map, you're going to have the option to choose your targeted loot. So simply just press down on the D-pad and select whatever loot you want to go after. This is what the map looks like. So each area is also going to be a place where you're going to have to go to capture those particular areas. You only need to do 2. Once you do 2, then you go to the core objective and then you complete that. So that's what that's going to be like right there. It's really quick and simple. You got a good team. You guys will move through it completely fast and you'll get the loot that you require, especially at the end, which I will show you. Okay, so this is the evac point here, and you're going to go against 4 hunters and black tuts. Now, the hunters are going to drop name gear. Yes, collect that name gear. Try not to die at this part, because if you die, your teammates won't be able to revive you. You won't be able to collect your gear either. With that gear that you're going to get, you're going to be able to put it in your expertise table and also put it in your recalibration library. This is the fastest way for you to get gear in this game, so I hope you guys enjoy.